So this is my little system that I did for the agricultural project. So this is my rock media, which is in the form of gravel, is to give stability to the plants. And this right here, this is what we call a bell siphon. So a bell siphon actually protects the stem pipe. So this is the stem pipe. So when water comes through here, it's going to drain, but there shouldn't be any material that's blocking the stem pipe, so it's going to drain up until the height of the stem pipe, and then that's the water that's going to be in the grow bed at all times. So just need to cover this up. This is a do-it-yourself kind of a thing, DIY style, so I didn't even have to buy a bell siphon. I just made one. And then this is supposed to have an end cap, but I just use this as an end cap. And underneath the gravel media is actually this grow media. So this is actually here because it retains water, so that means the plants are going to have more water basically. So I'm just gonna put this back. Yeah, so that's my grow bed, and this is my plumbing. So this system is called a flood and drain system. So it floods from the top here, and then it drains using the stem pipe that's protected by the bell siphon. And well, it's standing here. So this is the grow media, not the grow media, sorry. Yeah, let's call it the grow media. And then this is the pipe from the grow bed that's going to actually drain the system. So it's going to drain from two ends, this end and this end. And this is our valve. So the reason we have this valve is if the level in the fish tank goes low, that means we are able to put a hose here and take in more water. And then the same applies if there's water in the pipes, we are able to flush it out using this valve. And then here, I haven't connected it yet, but here is supposed to be a submersible pump that actually pumps the water and then circulates it, and then goes all the way and then dumps it here, and then it drains. So the two key things that are supposed to be in this bed are nitrosomonas and nitrobacter, in order to promote the growth, or in order to turn the ammonia from the fish tank into nitrates so that the plants can actually use it. So the reason the tank is kind of concealed here is that we don't want to grow algae, because it's going to take out all of the oxygen from the fish tank, and then the fish are going to have a problem since we haven't installed an aeration pump yet. So we have to keep it a bit hidden from the sunlight, but this has to be out here so that photosynthesis may take place, because yeah, plants need sunlight. So so this is my schematics here, and this is the submersible pump that we're going to use, and this is the end bit that's going to connect to the pipe, and that's going to connect to the pipe. But I'm struggling to find a bit that connects here in order to give in order to connect to the rest of the system. So the only things that are left is nitrobacter, nitrosomonas, and connecting the submersible pump and the fish. Basically, yeah, the fish will be here next week, and then this is the schematics for the whole system, including the what's this? Yeah, including the length of the pipes and everything. So that's the valve, and then that's the open pipe, like it is back there, and then yeah, this is everything. Basically, that's the grow bed. Different schematics. That was my first schematics. Um, yeah,